everyone, welcome to Lectures by Aparna. In today's video, we will discuss about time invariant and time variant systems. First, let us see time invariant system. Another name for time invariant system is stationary system. A system is said to be time invariant if a time delay or time advance in the input signal leads to identical time shifts in the output signal. So if you are considering a system like this, x of t is the input signal and y of t is the output signal. Now if you do a time shift in the input signal, say x of t minus t0, then if there is an equivalent time shift y of t minus t0 in the output, then the system is said to be time invariant. For example, if you consider a system given by this equation. Now we are going to check if the system is time invariant. For that we are going to put a time shift on the input signal. So we are making the input signal as x of t minus t0. So when you do this shift, let us see how it affects the output. So if the input is x of t minus t0, then this term will become 2x of t minus t0 plus 3 can be written like that only. So looking at this equation, we can write 2x of t minus t0 plus 3 is equal to y of t minus t0. That is, substitute t minus t0 in the place of t in this equation. So you get this equation. Therefore, when you time shifted the input signal, you got an equivalent time shift in the output signal also. So this is a time invariant system. Now let us see time variant system. Time variant system is also called non-stationary system. A system is said to be time variant if its input and output characteristics vary with time. So if there is a time shift in the input signal and there is no identical time shift in the output signal, we say the system is time variant. For example, consider a system like this. Now consider there is a time shift in the input signal. So the input signal will now be x of t minus t0. So when you put that in this equation, you will get x of t minus t0 into cos omega ct. That is, you have just substituted this time shifted input in this system. This is not equal to y of t minus t0 because y of t minus t0 is equal to, if you look at this equation, instead of t, if you substitute t minus t0, you will get x of t minus t0 into cos omega c into t minus t0. This term is not equal to this term. Therefore, y of t minus t0 is not equal to x of t minus t0 cos omega ct. So we can say, if we do the time shift in the input signal, there is no equivalent time shift in the output signal. Therefore, the system is time variant. This is how you check whether a system is time invariant or time variant. If this video has helped you, please do subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.